Eh? Because tatay told you, you should be a good girl with nanay. Oh. Now, you're protesting and protesting. Now, I will show this to tatay. Huh? We'll show this to tatay. No, you've been a good girl, no? Huh? You've been a good girl, no? See, I'm watching you. Oh. Because it's bawal. You will have a germs in your tummy. Ha. You will have germs in your tummy. Because your finger's full of germs. Oo. Oo. See? What will you tell to tatay? And? What more? Oo. See? Oo. I will tell to tatay, you not been a good girl. Oh. See, I have evidence. This is bawal. See. You're not listening to nanay, huh? You're not a good girl. Huh? What do you want? Huh? Okay. I will tell to tatay. I will tell to tatay. Why? Oh, Mira? Even cremallera? Oo. No. No. Putting fingers in your mouth is bad. Oy. See. Oh, I will tell to tatay. What will you tell to tatay? You're not a good girl? Oh, you're not a good girl. Because your fingers putting in your mouth. Huh? Oh. You're not putting fingers? Huh? Okay, I will not tell to tatay anymore. Bale. I will not tell to tatay. But be a good girl. See, you'll be a good girl. You'll be a good girl. I will not tell to tatay. Okay. Deal. Huh? Ay, Mira. You're putting again. See? Okay. And then what? You're not a good girl. Huh? You're not a good girl. Oy. I will tell to tatay. Huh? Oh, I will tell to tatay. Eh? Tatay told you. You be a good girl before going to office. Oh. Now, you're having discussion with nanay. Oh. Oy. Oo. I will tell to tatay. Okay? You be a good girl.